Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to make this beautiful golden Humra, keep on watching. So what you'll be needing is your miski, which is called moss crystal, and then you'll be needing a little prami farche for onicha, whichever one you want to call it, and then a little amber, and then I added almiski to my humra too to give it a very strong um unique scent. And then I use soft perfume for my humra. It has a very nice scent. And then I use sultan perfume. Sultan perfume, I got it in this quantity for 2000 naira. And then I use kamsal banat too. And this is my ruin humra or lavender or just raw humra, and then I use sandal powder in a little quantity too for my humra. So you can use any oil of your choice. You can use three, you can use four, you can use anything. You can use any oils of your choice. It's not compulsory you use the oils I used. And then I didn't grind anything into powdered form. I just added everything because I know I'll be shaking it. And then I'm not going to use this humra now. I'm going to store it for like 2 to 4 months and see the result because I'm not interested in using it now. You know, when you store humra for a very long time, the color changes and then the scent changes too. So I'm adding my amber in this quantity, a little quantity. You can add like a spoonful, you can add half, and then this is my brami, my farche. I'm adding it to my humra. So you can use the brown one. This is how it looks like before frying and grinding. This has been washed. I'm going to make a video of how to make farche water. This is how it looks like. So when you use the dark one, there is the burnt farche, and then there is the one that is not burnt. I hope you understand. The burnt one gives the humra a dark color. The brown one, the brown one doesn't give it a dark color. So I'm using the dark one, and I'm using it in a little quantity. So for this humra, I used the dark farchi, very dark, and then I added tararam misr, tararam miski. Tararam miski is a tararam is a is an oil, and it's dark in color. And then so after adding my farchi, I then added my sandal powder. I added sandal powder, a spoonful of sandal powder. Yes, a spoonful of sandal powder. Why we add sandal powder? Because sandal powder gives humra a very nice scent. I believe you can't make any trial water without sandal powder. Sandal powder is the best. It's the best. It's just the best. And you can make humra. Humra is a simple thing to do. I don't know why some people feel as if humra is very difficult to make. You just add the ingredients together. It's just that you need to know the right and the wrong ingredient to add. You see, you can't add luban to your humra, so some people will not tell you. You just go ahead and add it, and then it will not give you the result you are looking for. So I'm adding my soft um oil, my perfume oil. You can use, as like I said, you can use any oil of your choice. You can use any oil. You can base your humra to be like a fruity type of humra. You can base your humra to be like just plain mixed humra. You see different kind of white humra being called mixed humra. So I got sultan in this quantity. I couldn't buy the whole pack, the whole container. So I just got this little one. Imagine this one is sold for 2000 naira. And then I added a little almiski to it. I didn't want to add a lot of almisk because it has a very strong scent, and I don't want the scent to divert to be like a like humra miski you get. So after adding everything, I shake everything. You just and then that's it. And that's it for the humra. It's a very, very simple humra recipe. This is the end result. You can give it a try. When you do, please send me the pic. See you next time. Bye.